Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webmin on Ubuntu Server for remote admin dashboards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Webmin on Ubuntu Server, start by updating your system packages. Open your terminal. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, ensure that your system has all the necessary dependencies. Install the required packages by executing sudo apt install y software properties common apt transport https get. Now, add the Webmin repository to your system. Run git qo http://www.webmin.com/jcameron-key.asc sudo apt key add dash. Then, add the repository to your source list. Execute the command sudo add apt repository deb http://download.webmin.com/download/repository sarge contribution. Once the repository is added, update your package list again. Run sudo apt update. Next, it's time to install Webmin. Execute sudo apt install y webmin. After installation, Webmin will be running on your server. You can access the Webmin dashboard through your web browser. Open your preferred browser and enter https:// your server IP 10,000. Make sure to replace your server IP with the actual IP address of your Ubuntu server. You may receive a security warning due to a self-signed SSL certificate. Proceed by accepting the risk and continue to load the page. On the login screen, enter your server credentials. You will now be greeted with the Webmin dashboard. From here, you can manage and configure your server remotely with ease. Explore the various options available to optimize your server settings. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Webmin on your Ubuntu server. Now you're ready to manage your server efficiently from any location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.